Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Linger Longer, the name says it all. This charming 3-bedroom villa at the Tryall Club in Hanover sits on the edge of the 13th fairway with beautiful views that meander through coconut trees onto the greens of the 18-hole championship golf course. One enters the villa on either side of a large swimming pool before landing in the main living and dining area complete with a bar. All 3 bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms and French doors, opening onto a spacious wooden deck terrace facing the golf course. The Tryall Club has wonderful amenities apart from the golf course, which includes 9 tennis courts, a gym, private beach with large swimming pool and restaurant. The villas at the Tryall Club are only a 30 minutes drive from the Sangster International Airport and less than an hour from the famous 7 Mile Beach in Negril. On 1.3 acres, this villa can be expanded, kept as is, with its traditional aesthetic, or be remodeled. It is a Caribbean gem awaiting for the perfect buyer. Guys, let's take a look at this villa. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $1.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.